What would happen if all the oxygen on Earth disappeared for 5 seconds? Wouldn't it be so bad? But in those 5 seconds, everything around you would collapse. Wait, let me explain why. Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere. But oxygen isn't just for breathing. Your body needs oxygen to produce energy. It needs oxygen to start a fire. It also needs oxygen to sustain buildings and even the ground beneath you. Without oxygen, everything changes instantly. If all oxygen disappeared for 5 seconds first, everything would go dark for you. It's not because you couldn't breathe, it's because your brain needs a constant supply of oxygen. That's why you'd lose consciousness. Second, the buildings around us would collapse. Concrete is a material that is held together by oxygen-based compounds. When oxygen is gone, they would flatten to the ground. Third, your eardrums would burst. Sound travels through air, and air is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. The lack of oxygen causes a pressure drop, which is why your ears would pop. Fourth, the sky would turn black. The 21% oxygen molecules scatter light, giving us a blue sky. Without oxygen, sunlight travels straight through the air, and it appears to be night. Fifth, fires will go out instantly. Oxygen is the fuel for combustion. When it is gone, stoves and all vehicles with internal combustion engines such as cars and airplanes will stop working. Airplanes in the sky will fall because their engines will stop working. Eventually, the strength of the Earth's crust will decrease. That's because about half of the Earth's crust is made up of oxygen. I think what we've been talking about may seem like a science fiction scenario, it really is. But we can now see how deeply connected we are to every molecule in our environment. We often don't think much of oxygen, because it's a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Some people even ask if we should eat oxygen. But it's a gas that we can't live without, because without it, our entire existence would collapse. Science is not a subject, a laboratory, or a formula. It's a means of understanding our world. See you in another video. Don't forget to breathe.